What's going on, guys? Welcome back. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like, comment, do what you can to help the channel out. But what we got going on today is we got the beast loaded up. We have got fish traps. We'll see what those will do. We got a trot line set up, or built, rebuilt, whatever you want to call it, from the last time we was out. That big blue we caught last time put a hurting on it. I'm gonna grab me and Leslie some rods, and we're gonna ease out Toledo Bend, see what we can't get into. Hang with it. We made it to our destination. Weather is beautiful. Talk about a calm after the storm. There's trees down back there, snapped off, fell over, all kinds of stuff. I mean, you don't get no quieter than that. That is crazy. Love it. And I got them 2 turkeys loaded up again. You ready?
But he was fast and
What you got already?
a feather.
What kind of bird?
I'm not sure.
Huh. Maybe a bald eagle. Hey, man.
Dad, you're 7. And Dad, it's kind of good fishing and fish and both. Wait, but I'm
We're doing what we did. Like you put them on the hooks, and then I put them.
Wait, oh, we got
Let go of it.
Let me see. Dad, let me stop trying to blow it up.
Why did I do that?
Okay.
I'm gonna find the one I want.
Huh?
Let's get her rolling.
Okay, Jetty.
Yeah.
You get one. Find one. Oops. Just get one fish, Jetty. Here's our next fish. Dude.
Get one, Judge.
That's taking so long. I got a black one.
You got one? Okay.
Yeah.
Bring it to me. Now it's Lane's turn to catch one.
Oh.
Catch me one, Judd.
Or this big
How many more?
fella. I got. Or this fella.
Oh, there's that fella. Cool.
I got 2 double giants.
Ooh.
Do that one.
Giants.
Do that one first. That one's mine. A little bigger.
What we got going on is a trot line again. Doing just like we did on the last one. We're hooking some of them.
Yep.
Whoop. Hooking some of them through the nose, some of them through the lips.
And one. Yeah, there's like.
Just like that.
Get that big. Get a big one.
Now all we gotta do, catch it up.
Jay, look. You only got the 4.
All right, I like that.
Cool. Hold
Yeah, that
on.
looks good.
There it is. Hopefully we got some big blues on there. Get out of these stumps and we'll go see if we can find something else to fish for. Oh, just barely hitting stumps will mess your day up right there. They make a special hole just for this lake. It's called a gator hole, I believe. And it's bulletproof and all this other stuff. I need to get it on the bass boat. Something bopping right here. Y'all are missing it. They're here.
It's so bright, I can't see.
I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's like tornado damage all through there.
Hey!
What's up? What's up?
Is that a bass?
Man,
Yes!
we're just out here searching around looking for cool stuff to see.
It's bass.
And I cast out and get this little
Can
old.
I hold it?
Yeah, you want to hold it?
Can I hold it?
All right.
Don't drop it.
Good job.
Caught him on a
That thing is huge.
6 cent shad colored spinnerbait. Lots of good grass in here. Here you go, Judd. There you go.
Ow!
All right.
Over.
What happened, dude?
One over here.
Look at that. My blade, I guess, got hung up. Oh, man.
Which one is that? Oh, mommy.
That's okay. Yeah, we know how.
Okay, so. Yeah. Mom, can I know your like that's because where it's not right here. Yes, sir. No, if you don't slap it like this, you'll just pop it like this.
Good job.
You?
Right. Oh, oh man. Missed him.
Look, I'm this one.
Oh, God. Good fish. Get your rod tip up. There you go. Hey, get it. Oh, hold on.
Dang. He hit that hard.
Oh.
Can I hold it?
Hang on, let mommy hold this thing. She ain't held one in a while. What do you think about that?
We keep
Let's
that
see.
one?
That thing came out here and smacked it.
Yeah, it did. It came out of nowhere.
Heck yeah.
Spinnerbait.
Man,
It's not just
right out here, they've been busting.
busting.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Under it back.
He about to jump back in the boat.
That was
Oh man. Look, he's all over your faces. Alright, let's do that again, dude. Did I lose my fishing pole?
Well, Judd has it.
Oh god. I thought he had his pole.
I got it. I got it.
I thought you had your pole, Judd.
Oh, we got one. Let me get the camera.
Oh, yeah!
All
smacked
right.
Oh, feisty.
Can we keep this
Good
one this
job.
time? This time, can we keep one?
Alright.
Smile.
Hey,
Nice.
not as big as Leslie's, but hey, he's trying to bite me.
Put them in the water.
Awesome.
Good job, Judd. Give me 5, bro.
That's good, Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Super fast. Super fast. When I'm not blue. Snake a snake, snake. Way back there. Hi. That's so cool. My mom, because you got the biggest bass, you get the.
Oh, is he on? Oh man, hey, you got another good one. Oh, get him in boat flip. Oh yeah,
Oh, so sorry.
yeah.
Feisty dude.
Heck yeah. Man, we're on them today.
Hey mom, because you
Yeah.
caught the. Come on.
Judd, come here and look. You gonna come look?
Yeah.
Yeah, come look at that fish. Good job, man.
Thank you.
Can I hold him?
Hers are a lot better quality than mine.
Yeah. Oh, he's a big guy. gotta put them in there. Drop them hard.
There you go. Good job, Jen.
Yeah, cool!
All right, give me a 5. Good job. Next.
Look at these mini ones. Oh, but I'm getting an award.
Oh man, get in here. Yeah. On fire, y'all.
Oh, baby, wait. Let me get him first, okay?
Does it have a spoon in its mouth?
Hang on. Baby, let me get him first. Because there's a hook in him. Go.
Can I do
Number 3.
Ah.
Number 3. I'm winning.
All right, mosquitoes come out in force, so we have had pretty good luck. We're about to turn it in. Whew. So far, Leslie has one up to me, and
one up.
it's not funny. And anyway, we'll be back out here in the morning or afternoon, something like that, and check our trot line, and we might just try this again. But anyway, here we go.
Now the tricky part.
All right, and just like that, it is the next day, probably about noon, and we're back out here on Toledo. Boy, is it pretty. I mean, it don't get no slicker than that.
Hey, Dad, look at this.
Swallowed a fly.
No, he's fall on slime.
Oh, you fell on it?
Yeah.
Eee.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad, look how much I
What'd
got
you
from
find?
that's treasure.
Treasures? Yeah.
Money. Don't give me the good luck.
We made it. We're about to pull it up. Move on down, guys. There you go. There you go, baby. There we go. Hey, a good one too.
Good old blue.
Yep. Oh yeah.
The big blue.
Get him on clip.
Let's
And
see if
we'll
we got any more.
put him in the floor.
Put them on the floor.
Watch out, guys.
Ah, another big blue. Like
Drag him out of there, Lane.
What?
Drag him out of there by the fishing line. Got one. Got a good one. We got some bait thieves also. Oh, got another good one.
Was it another one? Yeah.
Oh my God. Hang on.
Yeah.
Oh, drag him in. There we go. Oh, that's a good one.
That's a real good one. I can feel him tugging.
Got another one, boys.
That was even huger.
Oh my God.
Yep,
that's all we got.
Right, hey, that's not bad.
Hey, that's perfect.
You're not touching me.
Dude. Hi, we got some good fish, dudes.
Yeah, I want to eat the whole entire big one.
The whole big one?
Yes, the entire. I'm hungry.
Cool.
I'm hungry. I
like one.
Oh, try not to
Okay,
get
you want it.
Ow.
He almost got you.
Sucker.
He's a big
Is
guy.
that one bigger than the one we had last
This one is.
Yeah.
Go. God. Oh. God. Close the door.
Oh my!
Oh my God.
He barely fits in the cooler. He barely fits in the cooler.
Woo, give me 5, boys.
Give Dad a cool down.
Yeah.
Hey, Catherine.
2 bigs.
Can
Man.
we let's find
Them blues are wild.
They fight hard.
Man.
Two.
What do you say we go?
Catherine
Yeah.
Now can we go fishing for bass? I get catfish.
What'd you say?
Now can we go fish for bass?
Yep.
Yeah.
Ho ho.
It barely floats.
You just never know
That's my
what's
boat.
floating out there.
That's my big boat.
Woo.
That's my boat. That's my claim.
I bet y'all could ride on that thing.
Yeah, really. Y'all could build a raft.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Homeschool.
Always watch out. No matter what. Good Lord. I mean, you can barely see that thing. Crazy. Man, that water felt great.
Yes.
All right. Found some treasures. Look at all these minnows.
Look at it. Doing that in the bus.
Two ginormous rocks. This is cool.
Can I keep these fish bones for my collection?
Let's see what you got. Oh, wow.
And it connects like that.
Yeah. Cool, man. Yeah.
You can barely touch it. I can complete my hand comes.
Y'all are crazy.
Yeah!
Got the fish trap. We're going to see if a couple of hours worth of soaking will get anything. Ball it up real good. Smash it together real good.
Soak it a little.
Did you get it? Put one more in there.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, I would say.
Yeah.
Oh, good job.
Be
Now,
crazy.
Jody, now put him
Put it
in
in
the
there.
water and then put soak.
No, you don't
soak
have to put it in the water.
He wants to soak him.
That's
Now
okay.
put him in the
Okay.
fish trap. Jody. Oh, Jody, put him in. Dope.
There you go. I like this spot.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely do that.
Right here in this hole.
Oh, yes. Yes, do that. Do it right.
Oh my.
All
right.
Oh,
Okay.
this is a new island.
Let's go on about our business and let's go fishing.
Yeah.
Oh. Time to go fishing.
Hey. So don't cast
He
it.
hit it so hard.
Still a good one.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
Is it big?
When oh
Is it big enough?
dude, no, we'll put him back.
Oh, can I put him back?
I just cast it to the grass and of course, and I can't believe that he hit it so hard. I set the hook and it pulled some drag a couple of times.
The ones
Been out here for a couple of hours
Look
just
out,
casting at nothing.
Look
Woo! Pound and a half maybe, 2.
Watch it.
Oop.
Dad, now
Woo.
look at Dad. Look. And I just.
Fish on. Oh yeah, baby.
Hey! Yes! Oh, I can't do that.
Boat flip.
Oh my god.
Do the boat flip. Boat flip.
Woo! That is
Good
a
one.
good
Big
one.
enough?
Oh.
Yeah.
Is it big enough?
Oh. Look at that.
I
Are you serious? Hey, that's a good one.
Yeah. Very pretty.
I think the bite's trying to turn on now.
Jeff, what you think?
Good.
You gonna put him back in there? He's kind of heavy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I want to put him back.
Let Judd do this one, and then you can do the next one.
Oh.
All right.
Back flip.
That's big.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
Woo.
Wait, won't.
Good Lord. Look at all that.
That's like the biggest graphis you caught yet.
Is there anything in there?
Let's pull it up and see.
Pull it up. Get it off the limb. We got fish.
We got Nemo!
Can we see in there?
I
Yeah.
can get some out.
Those are big, healthy ones.
Yeah. All right.
Guys, put them on the table. Put them on the. We'll eat like right now. I want to eat this.
Eat one, Lane.
The big boy.
Eat it, I dare you.
Eat one.
It
Is it a little sour?
It got
Oh,
super
Chud.
Oh,
Oh,
Chud, you crazy.
gross. Oh,
Oh, son.
Chud.
Yeah! Break that!
Lane, let me see you take a bite.
Just gotta rip it first.
Yuck.
I gotta rip it first.
I can't even believe that, Judd. Don't do no more.
Yeah!
Come on, Lane, eat it like a sardine.
Spit him aside, fool.
I got my guts out!
All right, y'all ready? Here goes me.
Oh.
You just thrown it out the boat.
Judd, wash your hands off, bro. Oh my God. All right, we gotta go get our trout line.
Yeah.
It's a bait.
We're doing pretty neat.
I like the little black dog.
I got
Yeah.
me some bait.
That's cool.
Big 'em.
All right.
The ones I have are bait.
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
There's at least 100.
120.
Ooh. Okay. I gotta get these crazy kids off this water before they sink the boat. So hopefully y'all enjoyed the few catches we got and the little adventures we went on. And guess we'll see y'all on the next one.